Walls are not only permanent, but too many of them can stifle the aura of an already small home. Plus, they are neither comfortable nor cost-efficient to install. A sliding and hanging room divider, however, is temporary, stylish, and can be installed without much hassle. 1. This sliding hanging room divider constitutes a perfect proposition for all who want to stylishly separate their private space from the rest of the house. Red finish creates a more romantic appeal. 2. Ideally fitting into modern interiors, this sliding hanging room divider delights with its sleek, glazed surface, minimalistic and stylish at the same time. These sliding doors will help you separate your private space from the rest of the house. 3. A pretty modern room divider sliding on top and floor rails. Rectilinear across split frames are made of black finished materials. Top parts of rectangular panels are manufactured of clear safety glass, bottom ones of opal glass. 4. Aesthetic and practical though rather simple contemporary sliding room dividers, hanging on a robust metal rail in a grayish enclosure. Wall-height rectangular panels of opaque materials have frames in grayish shades. 5. Attractive large contemporary sliding room dividers, crafted of materials finished in mid-browns. Tall rectangular framed semi-sheer panels hang on a metal rail fixed to a wall. They can be tucked one behind another. 6. Interior glass partitions can help you separate your living room from the bedroom or kitchen. They also allow the light to flow through the entire space without interrupting the flow. 7. A sliding or frosted glass screen adds a visually stunning appeal to your rooms and also maintain privacy. You can transform your extra space into your colloquial working or reading room. 8. When it comes to room dividers, peninsula kitchen options are better than the island kitchens. They restrain the traffic to one side, making it less distracting while you are working there. 9. The built-in storage dividers are smart and bespoke solutions for homes with minimal square footage. They add more value and help you maximize your floor area. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.